Now this is Patrick. Patrick. Man busy, you know, watch him. Boy, I tell you.
Turn to the camera.
Big fisherman, you know. Him so turn on, man. The fish too big. What kind of fish is that? A whale?
Kingfish.
Oh, kingers.
Never put them to the camera. Turn, put them on.
Man, may I watch him, man. Yeah, this is one of the Jamaican angler too, you know. This one is Patrick. So the man behind him is a seafood man. Yeah. Nice and sunny Sunday morning, you know. Fish don't come up yet, so
No resistance.
seems like this one is a kingfish, you know. Jamaican angler style. The sea runner crew.
Set a rat side.
There's a little boat in the background, a little yang yang. See there? Going down the line. Coming back to Patrick. Is fish ready? Yeah, oh, that's lovely, lovely kingfish. That's a lovely kingfish. Yeah, that's a nice kingfish. My God, that's a good kingfish. Ah, that's a nice kingfish. Yeah. Good, good, good. Jamaican Harbor. There's the fisherman. Patrick.
One hook, you know? Look for him. Zoom up on him hook.
See there, look.
One hook.
One hook. Almost got away. Don't worry. He's in the boat. Jamaican angler style.
Sea Pro.
No, sea runner crew.
Sea Runner crew.
Right, right. That's a nice fish. Look at him.
Wow, I tell you.
You want to weigh that one in the mouth? How much him weigh?
10 pounds.
10 pound. Right. Look like about a 10 pound fish. Right. Look at him. Nice, nice. Ah, good, good. This man love the fish. Mine, you know, what kind of fish you love on it? Mine, you know, boy. Alright. That is one down.
About a 10 pound,
Yeah, about 10 pound.
About 10.
That's a good one. That's a good one. Yeah. Put him down in. Right.
Captain.
Ah, there's the killer.
Man, I get the last week, you know. The week before, yeah.
Alright, this one is too big for the igloo, you know. Alright then. This is one more. Jamaican angler again, you know. This is the man with the seafood. See him there? Seems like a kingfish, you know, look. She's a nice kingfish, man. Can't be no other fish but a kingfish. Oh, that's a nice one again.
Yo,
It's about 10 pound, man. Oh, that one take off like bullet. Patrick will grab it the next way. Yeah. There's the nice. There's the kingfish. Alright. Ah, that's a nice one again. Yeah, that's a nice one again. That one is about 10 pounds again. Mind him hook, you know, be careful. Nice size kingfish. Sea runner style. Patrick and Kevin. The seafood man.
Bend the hook, you know.
Yeah, look at that. See it? It's already. A nice kingfish. See it? Look. You want to weigh that one again?
This was about 8 pounds.
About 8 pounds. Right. So we have the scale in our mouth, you know. We can weigh it. Alright.
Watch again. You want to stop video?
Alright, that's it. Now this is a sea runner crew. 2-man strike up one time. The sun though. Nah, the sun. 2-man hook up one time. Kevin and Patrick. See there? Fighting the fish like crazy. It's only me alone don't hook up anything, you know. Them call me the video man. Wow, look like a jack and a kingfish one time. Lot of fun. Who coming up first? Patrick. Hold on, I'm going to have to help do something, you know, because this... Oh. Hold on, that is what? A kingfish? Is that a kingfish, Patrick? Eh? That look like a jack, man. A jack, that one. A jack, that Patrick. Yeah, so we hook up on 2 jack right here. Nice fishing. Lot of fun, eh? Come, Patrick, pump him. This is Kevin, and that is Patrick. Right, that is a action like crazy, man. Fishing with the pros in Jamaica. Sea Runner crew. Kevin and Patrick.
Oh!
Some big jack, man. Some big jack.
Big rubber. Oh, you have it? Come on, give me rubber. Yeah, you have one. Good size, man. See? Oh, banana blow.
Yeah.
One that. Hold it. Yeah, this one. Grill. Grill. Grill up. Yeah, that is one.
That is a nice jack. Patrick. There you go. The Sea Runner crew. Jamaican anglers style.
What is one?
This is the other one.
Hey. Hold on.
Wow, this one is a big one, man. So we have a lot of jerk jack here to eat now, eh? Yeah. Nice. Jamaican angler style. Movie style.
Hey, Sylvester, let me a bird feed. No, my dad. No bird.
Eh.
Oh, 2 1 time, double us.
Look at the two man them, man. Look at the two man them now. Hold them up now. Hold them up. Yeah. Double. Yeah, bleeding up the place, eh? Yeah, nice fish. Alright, them fish there for go roast.
Alright,
yeah.
Cut him off, cover up bleeding. You're not bleeding. Cut off one, yeah, one. I saw it because I rep on the rep to get the hook in there. After the arm in the man, so we didn't break it. But see that because I rep down the stable now.
I just caught 2 big jacks.
Bird, man.